The lamina makes 45 degree to HP. The diagonal passes through the corner on which it rests is inclined at 30 degree to VP. The diagonal it has come, you just have to worry. See that definitely it will become apparent length only. Okay, you can see that it is resting on one of its diagonal, it is resting on one of its corners. The surface of the lamina makes 45 degree here, and the diagonal which pass through the corner on which rest is this AD is the diagonal which pass through the corner on which rest. So it makes an angle of 30 degree with respect to the vertical plane. We have to do this problem. Okay, we have to do this problem. Let me see how best we can do. I am taking a very this one less amount of time. Construct the hexagon. Okay, 30 mm sides, 30 tab 0, 30 tab 60 degree, 30 tab 120 degree, 30 tab 180 degree. Then you can continue, or you can simply copy these two and go to mirror and keep earlier one mid of this one to mid of this. Now fortunately it is diagonal only it has come. We need not to worry whether it is 30 mm or 20 mm. You see it is 25 mm. It is 25 mm. It is 25 mm. And let me I'll show one another one, the scaling, how the scaling can be done, whether I can able to do it or not. Let me see. The scaling factor is 25 by 30 mm. You can see here this is 25 only. The scaling factor I have taken. For example, by mistake I did problem, you can convert it to scale. I am not confusing you. Okay, you can do like this. Once after you learnt, 25 mm sides I have to take 25 tab 0 degrees, 25 tab 60 degree, 25 tab 120 degree, 25 tab 25 tab 180 degree, enter. '25 tab 180 degree, enter. Control, copy these two, go to mirror from mid of this one to mid of this. Okay, now I got like this only. If it is resting on the edges, what you have to do again, usual method, take some length. Okay, take some length as a reference and take this and rotate by taking this as a center. This point on this has to be here, but here they have not given us the edges, they have given us the corner, so that the corner can be taken. Now move to record position anywhere. Okay, I'm going to move like this. Now take a line, normal line from end of this one, some length I have taken, then copy this from all these points. If I take from here, it will be passing through this. So what I'm doing is I'm going to take only at these points. It will be passing through this figure. The figure will look odd, so that okay, this portion I'm going to delete and construct another one line here also. Okay, now you can show in the beginning only if you want. Okay, this is the visible line. This should be a visible line. It is visible line. And if you want, you can do in the beginning only. The naming also can be done. Naming you can do. You can take anyone. A, B, C, D, E, F. That's all. And keep them properly. Okay, I kept. Now write the namings. This will be A. This is A dash. And this is B dash in bracket F dash. B dash in bracket F dash. And this will be C in bracket E. C dash in bracket E dash. And this will be point D. Okay. Now all these I'm keeping properly. Okay, let me keep all this properly. One point is over. Now they have given us it is the surface of the lamina makes an angle of 45 degree with respect to the horizontal plane. So 45 degree I have to take. So take 45 degree some length. Okay, some length I take 45 degree line I am going to take. Okay, this should be thin line. Thin line. Now I request you to take along with these two lines, the end lines also already it will be available. Move this, copy from end of this one, give attention properly to the end of this. Enter, go to rotate, rotate through this point. Any point on this must be on this. Okay, and after this you can remove this, no problem. Okay, now let me take line, vertical line. Okay, let me copy this. One line from A, from this point, from this point, from this point, and see that properly you have taken or not. See, it is not taken properly. See, it looks, appears to be we have taken properly, but all these will not be proper sometimes. Okay, so you have to be very, very careful and copy one line. While copying only you have to take properly. See here, from end of this one properly you take end, 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 end. That's all. After this, these two you can remove them. Come back and project these lines up. Before that, I'll do one thing. Let me take a line from A to A, A to A. I have taken one line, A and A. These are meeting at this point. Fortunately, these are meeting here only. So this will be A. And B and B. B, that means on the C line itself. B and B. This line from B and B. B. This is point B. C and C. This is point C. C and C. And D on this line, and D, this is D line. Okay, so let me remove this. Okay, so this is A and A. You can see here again it's not working. Okay, the A and A and A, A and A, and B and B, and the C and C, D and D. Okay, now just a minute. Okay. Okay, and again E, from point E, I am going to draw the line. Move. Okay, move from this point, locate at the end of this one. Okay, So E and E, they are meeting at this point. So let me remove this line. E and E, E and E, and F and F, it is coming here, and finally A. Okay, let me draw the line from this point at the end of this one, at the end of this one, at the end of this one, and at the end of this, at the intersection of this, and again at the end of this. Okay, now if you want, you can copy these. Hold control, copy them. Okay, all these points I have located, and you can convert them into thick lines, visible line. Okay. Now the next point is the diagonal which pass through the corner on which rest. That is, the AD is the diagonal which pass through this corner on which rest. It makes an angle of 30 degrees with respect to the vertical plane. Now this angle is 45 degree, and we have to take 30 degree here. So this is what I wanted to show, 30 degree. Okay, now 30 degree, some distance you take, whatever the distance you want, tap minus 30 degree. Okay, let me convert this into normal line. Normal line. Now, as usual procedure, take one point suitably and measure this length. This length I have measured. It is 50. Take the arc from this end, 50 mm length. 50 mm length I have taken, and trim this. Now it is of no use. We'll remove this. Now draw the line. I have drawn the line. It is locus of AD, locus of diagonal AD. Now let me measure this length. (34.94). 34.94. Take the arc from end of this one. 34.94. Okay, draw the arc. You draw the arc. Now let me come to this portion. Now let me select all these. I've selected all these. Move. You make the depression in such a way that before that, what I need to do, I have to draw the line, normal line from end of this one to the intersection of these two. Intersection. And extend this line. You can see this. This angle is given angle, and this angle is this much, 46 degree. It is locus problem, and this, if you want, you can move wherever you want. Okay. Okay, I have moved. Now select this hole, move. I have decided to take this D here and rotate through this point, and this point has to be end of this one. This has to be end of this. Okay, I got. Then you can remove this, and the remaining portion of the problem, you know how to do it. Okay, you can make practice, draw A to A, B to B, C to C, all these, and you can join them. Okay, and this I'll be leaving it to you, do by yourself. Okay, and today we'll end this class, and